Welcome to this step-by-step Valentine's Day nail art tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a beautiful seasonal design for your clients, from nail preparation to finishing touches. You'll learn how to work with different gel liner shades, create detailed shapes, and master layering techniques to achieve a professional, polished look. Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Preparing the nails. We're completing a set of acrylic infills today, but feel free to use any nail medium your client prefers. If you'd like to broaden your skills, check out the link in our description to get certified in a wide range of nail treatments. Once the nails are fully prepped, it's time to start the design. Begin by applying a base coat in a shade of your client's choosing. We've opted for a neutral tone, but a soft pink would work beautifully too. Make sure to apply a thin, even coat to avoid bulkiness and issues when curing. Cure the nails for 60 seconds, then repeat on the other hand. Next, clean the nails using Pro Spa Beauty's Prep and Wipe solution, along with lint-free wipes to remove any residue. Step 2. Creating the nail art. Start by using the Pro Spa Gel Liner in shade 004. Use this white liner to draw a curved line across the corner of the nail. Add a gentle swirl in the middle to create a soft S shape. On the next nail, grab the Pro Spa Gel Liner in shade 009 to create a love heart. Using a dotting tool, place 2 dots side by side. Then, take a liner tool and drag the polish down at an angle from each dot, meeting at a point to form the perfect heart shape. Make this heart fairly large, since we'll be layering additional hearts over it later. Touch up the design if needed to get a clean, polished look. For the middle finger, paint a fine line along the cuticle, extending it down into an elegant S shape that finishes at the tip of the nail. Repeat the heart design on the index finger. Next, switch to the Pro Spa Gel Liner in shade 006, a rich, dark pink tone. Use this to draw the same sweeping S shape from the cuticle to the tip of the nail. Cure the design to prevent smudging. Now repeat the same process on the other hand. Continue layering the design with 2 additional colors on each nail. Curing between each layer to maintain clean, sharp lines. Step 3. Finishing touches. Once your design is complete, seal everything with a top coat to add shine and protection. Use a nail file to tidy up the edges. This step helps create a polished finish and removes any sharp edges that could catch on clothing or scratch the skin. Finally, apply a nourishing cuticle oil. This adds moisture back into the nail area, improves the overall appearance, and helps protect your beautiful design for a lasting shine. And that's it. Thank you for joining us for this Valentine's Day nail art tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website linked in the description for additional nail courses. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty content. See you in the next video.